Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Pathfinder's engine oil. First, gather your supplies: new engine oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure your Pathfinder is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. We'll begin by locating the oil drain plug, typically at the bottom of the oil pan, and the oil filter, which is usually nearby. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which might take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once empty, replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened, and use a new crush washer. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh filter. Move your drain pan under the oil filter, as some residual oil will escape. Unscrew the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Once removed, take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, hand tighten the new filter onto its housing until it feels snug, usually about 3/4 of a turn past initial contact. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol on top of your engine. Using a funnel, slowly pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts for many models. After pouring, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick. Look for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.